Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum. This is Sharad and welcome to the channel My Personal Vlog. Today I'm going to show you how to make PNG file from a JPG image. So be with me till end. Now without further delay, let's get started. Okay guys, first of all, find the image you make a PNG file. Go to the Safari, you can open any browser you like. Then go to Google. Try to find out the image you're gonna make PNG. Type the image you wanna search. There you can find lots of options for the images. Then select your image and right click on that image and save that to download. Go to the Finder, then Downloads. Open the downloaded image with Preview. When your image appears in the preview, there you can make your JPG image to the PNG. Click this tiny box on the right, which is called Markup Toolbar. Then go to left corner and click Instant Alpha. Take your cursor to the background, click the button and hold, and slowly move down. After selecting the background, leave the button. Once the whole background gets selected, you will see this outer line outside the image. Once the background selected, press the delete key. Then this message will be pop up asking for convert to PNG file. Click convert. Right after you click convert, your background will be disappear and convert to PNG background. Make sure check for the leftover background and select that portion and delete that too. Now this image ready as a PNG file. You can see it right here. Go ahead and save your image now. Go to downloads and check your image. As you can see, this is in PNG format. Now you can use this image with any background. Thank you very much.